Hey everyone, this is Tyler from Supply Chain Systems, and today we'll be walking through how to check packages into EzTrackIt. The first thing we need to do is log in. You'll see that I have a pop-up asking if I want to check packages into the courier location. This is my default, so I will select yes. I also have a drop-down list here in the top right where I can see locations throughout the network that I have access to. If you do not have these locations or you do not receive the pop-up, don't worry. It's not applicable to everyone, so it should not affect your check-in process. The tracking code box is our first piece of required information. If you're tracking a PO item, you will need to receive that item prior to adding it to EzTrackIt. The delivery document will print with a barcode that you'll need to use for tracking. It contains both the PO number and delivery document number, which our other users will need for looking up the package down the road. If the package is non-PO, you may use the carrier tracking code in this field instead. And if you're a department that uses the system for internal tracking, you will need to scan or facilitate a code according to your department's specific procedures. In my case, I'm going to be scanning in something that is a non-PO, so I'll do that now. You can see once I scan the code, EzTrackIt will attempt to determine the second piece of required information automatically. The carrier identity is necessary, but if you're unsure of who it is, or you're scanning for internal transfer, you can always set this to other to proceed. The last piece of required information is the recipient. The system will search the entire database based on your text, so you can use department names, department cost centers, or buildings to narrow down your search. In this case, I'm going to put this to the test center since it's just a test package. At this point, I can check this package in. Other things you may wish to include are in the Notes 1 and 2 section. You may want to include if the package was damaged upon arrival. You may want to include if this is going to a specific person at a site. You may want to include the carrier's tracking code if this happens to be a PO item, just so that you have some extra identification down the road. Since I have everything that I want, I'm going to go ahead and check this package in now. Once I do that, I should get a green notification bar at the top like this, and then it will also populate down into this menu here. Down here in this menu, I can click on the printer icon, which will allow me to print the label for EzTrackIt deliveries. It's important that we print this out because this is what our couriers, as well as many of our delivery site people, will be using to deliver the package. The other key to this is sometimes when you scan a package in, you may not get the exact barcode. This will always match what's in the EzTrack system so that it can match up the picture for delivery later. Once I've printed out this label, I can go ahead and affix it back to my package so that the receiver that can then go to the department that's receiving this, check it out, and take that picture. This is the full check-in process, so if you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to us in Supply Chain Systems. Otherwise, thanks for watching the training video, and have a good day.